Welcome to Icefire Channel. Join us to find out ways to help you be more productive every day. Being productive every day requires intentional planning, focus, and discipline. Here are some effective ways to boost your productivity and make the most of each day. Start your day by setting specific and achievable goals. Prioritize tasks based on their importance and urgency to stay focused on what matters most. Make a to-do list with all the tasks you need to accomplish during the day. Break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Consider using time management techniques like the Pomodoro technique or time blocking to stay focused and maintain a balance between work and breaks. Identify and eliminate distractions in your workspace. Turn off notifications, close irrelevant browser tabs, and create a conducive environment for productivity. Taking short breaks throughout the day can help recharge your mind and prevent burnout. Use breaks to stretch, walk, or engage in activities that relax you. Tackle high-priority tasks when you are most alert and focused. Reserve less critical tasks for times when your energy levels are lower. Avoid overcommitting yourself. Learn to say no to tasks or requests that don't align with your priorities or would overload your schedule. Utilize productivity apps and tools like task managers, note-taking apps, or project management software to stay organized and efficient. Set realistic deadlines for your tasks and hold yourself accountable to meet them. This will help avoid procrastination and keep you on track. Focus on one task at a time to maintain concentration and productivity. Multitasking can lead to reduced efficiency and increased errors. If you have a team, delegate tasks that others can handle effectively. Delegating frees up your time to focus on high-priority tasks. Ensure you get enough sleep, eat a balanced diet, and engage in regular exercise. Physical and mental well-being are essential for productivity. Minimize the number of decisions you need to make during the day by planning ahead and establishing routines. At the end of each day, review your accomplishments and reflect on what could be improved. Use this information to adjust your strategies for the next day. Make time for activities that help you relax and de-stress, such as hobbies, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. Strive for excellence, but don't let perfectionism paralyze your progress. Sometimes, good enough is sufficient to move forward. Keep your physical and digital workspace organized to reduce clutter and make it easier to find what you need quickly. Invest time in learning new skills and improving existing ones. Continuous learning enhances your capabilities and boosts confidence. Picture yourself completing tasks and achieving your goals. Visualization can motivate you and increase your sense of accomplishment. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Positive reinforcement can boost motivation and productivity. Remember that productivity is a journey, and it's okay to have occasional unproductive days. Be patient with yourself, learn from your experiences, and implement the strategies that work best for you. Consistent effort and small improvements will lead to increased productivity and overall success in the long run. Thank you for watching the Icefire channel. I wish you a good day.